Put your hands together. Come on, everybody. Let's have a good time. Come on, Charlie. Put your hands together, man. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the Red River Valley Fair here in Paris, Texas. It's good to be back here. I was here about 4 or 5 years ago. How many was at my show then? Oh, good. Okay, Charlie. Yeah. I'm Sonny the Bird Man from Nederland, Texas. If you don't know where that's at, it's a long ways from here. But I tell you what, I'm treated really well. And I had the privilege to come back, and so I said, sure. But anyway, I wanted to put together a show that was not just entertaining, educational,